Happy Friday, everybody. How's it going? I'm so excited about the weather this weekend. Where we are in Florida, we're in the Panhandle, and the weather is absolutely glorious. I almost want to turn it around so you can see it. It's just, there's a little crisp in the air. Are y'all like getting so excited? It's like, I'm like, okay, it's going to be November. I can't believe. Hey, Terry. As you pop on here, say hey. Tell me where you're tuning in from. My name is Amy Howard, and I'm the mother maker here at A Maker Studio. Hey Barb, I love the fact that I have a community of other women that are in the prime of their life that love creating a beautiful home. It's what I call crafting a beautiful life. So the ability to be able to create an environment, to be able to create the gifts, to create the things, hey Kathy Butler, to create the things that we love, not only one to give them to people as gifts, whether it's a hostess gift, whether it's a gift for someone for their birthday, or we are coming upon the holiday season, which I'm just going to tell you that I popped into some stores the other day and I was shocked at the price of things. It's just astronomical what they've gone up to. And so I thought, you know what? I want to pop back on here and I want to show you. If you haven't gotten your maker box, you need to just be able to see what all is in it. Because you think about, you're from Portland, Oregon. Hey girl, I love that. Thank you for sharing with me where you're from. I love seeing where people are from. The great thing about it is, a lot of you may not know this, but we ship product from a maker studio all over the world. All over the world. So when I see gals in the UK, in Uganda, in South Africa, in Australia, hey Kay from Wilmington, it just makes my heart so happy. I don't know if you know this, but we ship a lot of product to Dubai, and I had the opportunity to go to Dubai a few years ago. And I'll be quite honest with you, and I hope I don't offend anybody when I say this, but I thought when I was going, I was trying to get this visual picture of the women in Dubai crafting. You talk about crafters. You talk about women that love creating a beautiful home for themselves and for their families. They're incredible, loving, giving women. I had the best time meeting them. But I want to pop on here and I want to tell you, if you've not gotten this maker box, you need to look at it. I'm going to put a link below that allows you to be able to see what all is in it. Here's the deal. The maker box is $99 and it comes with 6 projects. 6 projects. So you're talking about $16 per project. Guys, that's a deal. And here's what I love to do. Every time I pop on here and I'm doing a live, if you share this video, that's all you have to do. Sharing is caring. Your name is going to go in for a drawing, and we are going to give away one of these maker boxes, and I'm going to pay to ship it to you. All you have to do is share the video, tag some good friends that you know that love crafting a beautiful life too. And I want to show you, I just want to go through here very quickly, and I am going to be working on these candles for myself lately. Now look at this, later today. Do you see this? Now I'm showing you a black one. You may not know, but in this kit, we have this mold. Look at this. You can make hundreds of these candles with this mold that comes in our maker box kit. But the great thing about it, we have included not only your beeswax. Look at this. Is this like the most fab? Can you see the fluting on it? Now, this flute, it's totally in right now on everything. On furniture, on decor, on cabinets, and then it's gone into lamps, accessory pieces. So the ability for you to be able to make these candles that will stand up on your table during the holidays. You could even make these and line them on your mantle. How fab would that be? Okay, so look at this. This is the mold that our candles come in. And also, look at this. I am including in this kit your beeswax to be able to make it. And then look what else I'm doing. I am including some gold mica and some pearl mica because I want you to be able to make a gold candle. I want to show you this. It's absolutely fabulous. Now, I'm gonna be tacky about telling you something. Can you see the recipe card? In the kit, they come with the recipe cards. And this candle that I'm showing you right here sells for $88 in stores. There's the cost of your kit right there. You're gonna be able to make multiple gold metallic candles like this to be able to put on your mantle, on your table, in your entry hall, and light them, and you can make them over and over. I love this. So we've included all of the gold mica for you to be able to make your gold metallic candles. Now, as you pop on here, say, hey Sharon, tell me where you're tuning in from. Share this video. This is gonna be a way for you to be able to win an incredible box. I'm gonna be giving you one away. I'll make the announcement for the winner on Monday. So all you have to do is share this video, tag some friends, and it's gonna make it really easy to win. So now the second project that we have, I love this. Love, love, love. I'm gonna be getting with my daughter-in-law. I usually say daughter-in-love. And I'm gonna be showing her how to make these ornaments. Look at this. Here's 2 recipe cards of ornaments. Now, don't you love this with the picture? How fun would that be to make someone a gift and to do the decoupage photo of maybe your grandchild, maybe a family, maybe a friend. They would love. I don't know if it's got pictures of my grandkids or my kids on it. I'm keeping it, or my dear besties. I'm gonna keep it, but I love the fact that we can put this on a package and it makes it so fun. So how easy it is, you're gonna be getting in this maker box, you're gonna get this mold. And it has this little piece at the top that allows you to be able to have the hole in it so that way you can thread it with your ribbon. And in the kit, I'm also giving you your resin and your resin hardener. So you're gonna get these 2 in addition to the mold and the recipe card that we can make all kinds of ornaments to put on our tree. How fun would it be, though, on all of your packages to be able to make these resin ornaments and put pictures on them or decorative things and tie that on the package? I think that's fabulous. This would allow you, now a lot of people are like, okay, Amy, how many can I make if I do the ornaments? I would say that with what comes in the maker box, the holiday maker box, you could easily make probably 18 to 20 of these ornaments, easy. So think about the packages. If you've got to be able to do more than 20 packages to 20 different families or friends with this, all you have to do is buy some more of the resin, but you could easily, with this kit, make 20 of these. It doesn't take much at all. So you mix it up, pour it in, and pop it out. So I love that we can make the ornaments. So the candles, the ornaments. So guys, $99 for the maker box. These projects are costing you less than $16 a piece. That is such a deal. I really encourage you to be able to think about getting this as a gift, because when I went in the other day, I was shocked at how much stuff was. And I was like, our maker box is such a deal. Now look at this. I love that I have seen people using this already. The box is worth it for this because look at this guy. Is he the cutest thing? Look, this is a mold. Now, he has so many uses because you can use this to make nutcracker cookies. Whatever you want to be able to put in this mold. If you like working with air clay, you can use the air clay in this mold. I love the fact that in this kit, we have included the resin so that way you can make the nutcrackers, and we've included size, which is your glue for your gold leaf, as well as an artist brush and the gold leaf itself. So that way you're going to be able to gild our nutcrackers, and then I've included the frame that you can put him on either side of it when you're finished. How fun is that? So that's the fourth project. Then the recipe card, again, that you have that comes in this, we've included a stencil, the inks, the spreader, and all of the cards for you to make your own custom Christmas cards. I don't know about y'all, but the cards that I have seen, when I went to Target the other day, cards are horribly expensive. We're talking $5, $6, $7, and $8 for a card. To me, look at this. This is so much more fun for you to be able to make your own cards that go with your gifts. And I don't know about you, but when I get Christmas cards from people, I want to know what's going on with them. And so in the package that you get with the maker box and the cards to be able to create and the stencils and all the inks, it allows you to be able to write a letter. Because when I'm getting a card, I'm like, hey, wait a minute. I need to know, did Alexandra graduate from college? Where did John move? So here's my suggestion, and this is something that I always do. When I make my cards, I do something fun and decorative on the front, but then I start at the top and I write a letter, or I'll write a little note here, and then I will include a letter that I've typed up, and I'll put in all of them. So it's like, here's where we are. We moved. This is what Preston's doing. This is what Brooke's doing. So you've got all that info on, I'm catching you up on everything that we've done. Does anybody else love doing that? Hey, Kim. Hey, guys. As you pop on here, say, hey, do not miss the opportunity to share this video and tag some friends. Your name will go in for a drawing. And then Monday, we're going to make the announcement of the winner of the free maker box. This is such a deal. Now, definitely not least, but I want to show you this. There's a couple more things. Look at this darling angel project that we have in it. We've included the canvas for you. Patricia, hey girl, how are you? Where are you tuning in from? Hey Deborah, as you pop on here, tell me where you're tuning in from. Look at this angel. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous project. It comes with the canvas. It has it to where you get your Venetian plaster, you get all your paint, you get your artist brush, and then we have step by step by step on everything that you are needing to be able to do this adorable angel. I love angels. Angel canvas painting with the Venetian plaster. It's so fun. It's so easy. This alone is worth the value of the kit, I believe. And so all the kits that with this kit, the projects, they're only $16 a piece. So it's such a deal. Everything is in it that you need. You might need a spoon or a bowl or a cup out of your kitchen, but everything else is included, which makes it a lot of fun. So definitely not least, I want to show you, we've also got your ornaments, your candles, your gilding, everything in it. And then we've also got one where you can make, with the plaster, these gorgeous ornaments for your tree. So there's definitely a theme of gold leaf, of plaster, of angels, of sweet things that you can have in here to be able to make, to customize. I love that we can customize with our ornaments and our decoupage. It's definitely one of the best values. I'm always the best value. I have the same question. How do you share a live? Okay. MK, can you post in the link in this Facebook Live? This is Mary Kate at our office. Tell people what to do to be able to share this video. They want to win this box. So just share with me, if you would, in this link. I'm going to have Mary Kate from our office just go step 1, step 2, step 3, how you can share this video. So there's a little share button on here, but I want to make sure that you've got it and you've got the directions on how to do it. So I will. Kathleen, isn't the angel the most darling thing? It's so primitive and so easy, but look at that. It is so easy to do. And this itself would make a great gift to be able to give to somebody. So I hope that y'all are slowing down and wanting to enjoy every minute, every step of the way as we go into this incredible season of slowing down, of coming inside, of creating homes that we can bring people in and love on them. Our homes are our haven. Our homes are our places that we get to create the environment. We can have the music. We can have the smells. We can create it so when people walk in our door, they feel loved, they feel cherished, they feel the love that we have in for them. And so, oh good, Megan, good deal. You're sharing it on your Nutmeg page. Good deal. Thank you, Tricia. So Mary Kate's gonna share on here how to be able to share it. But I just, I wanna thank you so much just for being a part of our community and a part of a maker studio and continuing the love of making things with our hands. I think it's so much more important as we go into this holiday season to back up and go, you know what? I'm not going to buy a whole lot of expensive gifts for people. And we don't need a whole lot more electronic gifts. Let's make things with our hands. And I encourage you as families, get together and draw names and get people's names and make something for them specifically that you know that they would love and enjoy. Hey, Janet. So, guys, I hope you have a fantastic Friday. It's so good seeing you. Share this video, tag some friends. We'll announce the winner on Monday. And if anything, oh, and I forgot to tell you, when these sell out, they sell out. We're guesstimating they'll probably last to the middle of November, and then they're gone. So it makes it a lot more fun, and it's going to be an opportunity for you to be able to have all these projects to be able to make. I don't know about you, but I'm really jazzed about doing these custom decoupage. And I've already got my candles that you see that I love. I'm already a fan. But this within itself pays for the whole box, because these candles by themselves at little shops that sell them, they're $88. You're going to be able to make them with the mold and do a metallic to line up on your mantle. It's going to be fabulous. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody. I love you guys. Mwah.